Today on Taste Test, we're trying foods from New England. Yes. Andre.
I'm from Connecticut, so I'm so excited right now.
You were born for this.
I was born for this, literally.
How do you feel about New England food?
I love New England food. The most specific thing that comes to mind is like any kind of seafood.
What do you think we're gonna try? Because you are
I'm
the
thinking
expert.
clam chowder, quintessential New England.
I'm curious to what we're gonna taste today because I don't think it's just seafood. I feel like they have some other specialty things too, some novelties that I'm not 100% aware of.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down below.
And click the little bell to get notified when we have new episodes. Oh,
Clam chowder.
You were right.
I knew it.
Known also in some states as Boston chowder.
The cream-based chowder contains potatoes and onions.
That is true.
Adding tomatoes to clam chowder is strongly discouraged.
In fact, in 1939, a bill was introduced into legislature in the state of Maine that would make the use of tomatoes in clam chowder against the law. That is absurd.
That's America.
This is what I remember. This is like everything I know when it comes to clam chowder. This is what clam chowder is to me.
So it's also served with these beautiful oyster crackers.
Which I actually like eating them just by themselves.
Yeah,
This is so good.
They're really good.
I'm gonna venture to the clear broth situation over here.
So the next one is the Rhode Island.
This dish originated in the southern fishing and beach areas of Rhode Island.
Unlike the New England clam chowder, Rhode Island chowder is a clear broth soup.
This chowder typically contains a mixture of bacon, onions, potatoes, broth, and quahog?
Quahawks.
What is that?
So they're clams. They're large clams.
This is so good.
This to me just tastes more like a regular everyday soup.
That's good though.
Are you a cream sauce person or are you a brothy person?
Cream.
Cream all the way.
100%.
Same here.
I know what this is. This is a fluffernutter.
It's a sandwich made with peanut butter and marshmallow cream, usually served on white bread. First created in the early 20th century during World War I.
Shortly after marshmallow cream was invented in Massachusetts.
The term Fluffernutter was created by an advertising agency in 1960.
As a more effective way to market the sandwich.
It has been proposed as the official state sandwich of Massachusetts.
Okay.
Okay, it's messy.
It's pretty good.
Wow. It is unbelievable.
A little too sweet for me.
Same.
I feel like this is a huge lot. Like if I were eating this whole sandwich together, that might be a lot.
Thank you, Taste Test,
Oh my God, it's so good.
for putting us in this
So
video
good.
so that we could eat this sandwich.
This reminds me of that Cincinnati chili. I did the Midwest one, and there was Cincinnati chili, which is like chili over spaghetti.
Yep.
I'm sensing a pattern.
American chop suey?
Popular in New England, it's related to other popular and similar regional pastas like American goulash and chili mac.
Standard American chop suey consists of elbow macaroni and bits of cooked ground beef with onions and a thick tomato base. The simplicity of the dish precludes the addition of green peppers, which cannot be added without changing the flavor quite drastically from that which has been historically enjoyed in Maine. So if you put green peppers in here, you're out.
New England has a lot of rules surrounding it.
This is taking me all the way back to my childhood.
It's pasta, and it's tomato sauce, and beef.
Yeah,
I mean, how can you go wrong?
you really can't.
Johnny cakes are cornmeal flatbreads, an early American staple food. The food originates from the native inhabitants of North America.
Often claimed as originating in Rhode Island,
The modern Johnny cake is fried cornmeal gruel.
which is made from yellow or white cornmeal mixed with salt and hot water or milk.
It's almost like a
They're
grit
like
cake.
really, yeah, like kind of sticky and gooey.
It's a hearty meal, but also kind of sweet. So you feel like you're getting your energy for the day, sustenance for the day, but also like getting a little sugar, little sweetness.
I think it's really good. It's very much like grits, to where I'm kind of
Very much.
wondering why it's not just served as grits.
But
So
if you
good.
had to pick between these and regular pancakes,
I need regular pancakes, you know, for sure. Every St. Patty's Day, I make corned beef
Oh my
and cabbage. I have to do it.
oh, it's called a New England boiled dinner.
Ah,
Is the basis of a traditional New England meal consisting of corned beef with cabbage and other vegetables, including.
Potatoes, rutabagas, parsnip, carrots, turnips, and beets
However, when including beets, they're often cooked and served separately.
to avoid discoloring the entire dinner.
All right, let's dig in.
This is like right up my alley.
you get vegetables, you get your meat. It's good. It's amazing.
actually good. You know what this is though? It's like as simple as you can have each of these items. Like there's not a lot of seasoning happening. I mean, it's all boiled, so it's not like it's like sauteed or anything. It's very simple.
Right.
It's so good.
It's homey and it's pure.
Are you joking? This is my
Potato hash.
favorite thing almost in the whole world for brunch.
This is red flannel hash.
It's made from the leftovers of a boiled dinner.
Named for the flannel-esque pattern made by the beets and potatoes, is enjoyed with or without eggs as a budget-friendly breakfast dish.
I mean, this is so good.
Oh
I mean,
my
all we're
God.
missing is an egg on top, for sure.
This is great. You know, I'm a big meal prepper, Andre. It almost feels like this is the original meal prep.
Okay, New England. I see you.
So I learned a lot. I'm from New England, and there's so many dishes that I had no idea that was from New England.
I feel like after all of this, it definitely does make me want to go to New England and try the food, and I feel like now, when I do that, I'll have a better grasp on like what I should be looking for and what I should be eating.
Did you have a favorite?
I say my favorite was the hash. The red flannel hash was my favorite.
That was my favorite too, I think, because I love the sweet and savory. And it was just, I would totally make that again and do it in honor of New England. That was so much fun. If you guys liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below and tell us what we should eat next time on Taste Test.